excretory products and their elimination due to processes like metabolism or maybe due to excess of ingestion, organisms tend to get ammonia, urea, uric acid, etc. deposited in their body, which is known as common nitrogenous waste, and this waste is to be eliminated from their body. The mechanism of elimination of these wastes vary from organism to organism, like ammonotelic organisms. These are the organisms which excrete ammonia as the common nitrogenous waste. Ureotelic organisms like we human beings who eliminate urea as common nitrogenous waste, and uricotelic organisms like birds, insects, reptiles who eliminate uric acid as common nitrogenous waste. Human excretory system. You can see in the diagram, human excretory system consists of pair of kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and a urethra. You can see in the diagram. Now let us understand kidney. You can see in the diagram, kidney is a bean-shaped organ which is 10 to 12 centimeter in length, 5 to 7 centimeter in width and 2 to 3 centimeter in thickness. It weighs from 120 grams to 170 grams. You can see there are projections named as helium in kidney through which ureter and blood vessels enter into the kidney, and this helium is further opening into a broad funnel shaped space known as pelvis, which is having certain projections on it known as calces. The functional unit of kidney is nephron. You can see the diagram of nephron. It consists of three parts: PCT, loop of Henle and DCT. Nephron is the functional unit of kidney. It is present in millions in kidney. Nephron further is divided into two parts: glomerulus and renal tubule. A double-walled cup-like structure named as Bowman capsule enters the renal tubule, and this Bowman capsule along with glomerulus forms Malpighian body or Malpighian corpuscles. You can see in the diagram, you can see how this Bowman capsule plus glomerulus is forming Malpighian body. Now this further, the tubule is PCT, which is proximal convoluted tubule, then the loop of Henle and DCT. PCT and DCT are present in kidney in the cortex region, whereas loop of Henle dips into the medulla, and DCT further, the number of DCTs from number of nephrons further gets into a single large tube named as collecting duct.